Good morning, beautiful people. Okay, so today I have a really quick video for you guys, very lucrative. We are going to talk about checklists, okay? So, if you do not have checklists for each department in your cleaning company, whew, you are headed for destruction. You need checklists. Checklists are very, very lucrative, okay? And on this video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own checklist using a site called Canva, okay? So I'm on Canva now. This is how it's going to look when you first get to the site. We're going to do this. It's quick, easy. Come up here to the search bar and you're going to type in checklist. Checklist. All right. Now, all of these wonderful templates will come up that you can use, okay? You can create template checklists for anything. You know, they got all kinds of checklists here. I'm going to do one quick, simple, easy demonstration here. So this is the checklist that I chose, right? When you first choose a checklist, you notice it's a little small, so I'm going to make it a little bigger for me to work with. So I'll put it on 75. I can see it now. Perfect. So only thing you're doing here is basically clicking and changing it up. You know, I click on it. I'll put Airbnb. Let's put Airbnb. Airbnb cleaning checklist, right? And then right here, you can just click on it. Only thing you're doing is clicking and changing, okay? Change that to kitchen. We can change this to bathrooms. The bathrooms. Slide up. We can change this to living room. Up. Living room. You kind of get my drift. We're just clicking it and we're changing around, right? Bedroom. Let's change this to bedroom. Bedroom. Okay. All right. So now I have 4 different areas here. I have bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, and living room here. And as of these little checks right here, you can go see right here where it says text. Click on text. Click on little body here. And this is where you can start implementing kitchen. You start implementing exactly what needs to be checked off. We'll say oven. Okay. So you basically just start thinking about everything in the kitchen that needs to be done. And you'll click on this little button right here. And you'll slide it on up here. Okay. And let's say these boards. Okay. So you kind of get my drift. You'll just keep clicking and implementing whatever you need to get done in that kitchen right there. It's so simple, so easy. Now, on some checklists, you might want them to be a little bit more detailed. This was just like an easy, quick demonstration that I was trying to show you guys. I'll back it up a little bit so you can kind of see how it looks. Let me erase this one. But you know, that's how it's looking so far. And then the only thing you're doing is just clicking on this, sliding it over here, and put exactly what needs to be checked off, right? Now, if you're looking for something a little bit more detailed, then you just have to back it up with the checklist. And we'll look for a template that's just a little bit more detailed, right? Start searching for that detail. This looks a little detailed right here. Yeah. See, this one here looks a little bit more in detail. So once again, I'll go here. I'll blow it up a little bit so I can see. And you do the same exact thing. You're just going to click on it, change up the font. You can change up the words. And then right here, you can write in detail what you need. You can do kitchen, change it up. Kitchen. And then you can be a little bit more detailed with what you want done inside the kitchen, such as wipe out the cabinets inside out, pull out all the appliances, clean inside the stove, top, bottom, your refrigerator, inside the refrigerator. You can just be all detail in here, okay? And not only that, but you can also add pages on here as well to make your checklist longer if need be, okay? So this is just a quick demonstration on it. Now, I know a lot of you guys might feel like, okay, what do I put in the checklist, right? So this is what I would do. I would go to Google. Google is my best friend. As you can see here, Google move in, move out cleaning checklist. And you can look, there's tons of cleaning checklists right here in Google that you can mirror just to get an idea of what to put in your checklist. And then, of course, at the end of the day, you're going to have to make your checklist because all of my checklists are different because every job is going to, of course, be different, if that's making any sense to you. Okay, so you have to make your checklist pertain to you and your job. Okay, but anyway, what I would do if I was you is click on here, and you can kind of get an idea off of all of these checklists that are here right here in Google. See, it says kitchen. You can read what it says for kitchen, and you can just kind of mirror whatever you're looking for. And this also goes for restaurant cleaning, office cleaning, whatever type of cleaning you're doing. This is a quick, easy way to create your very own checklist. Now, if all else fails and you just really can't understand how to make your own template and it's really kind of getting on your nerves, you can always go on Fiverr and you can get someone to create a checklist for you. You can go on, you can pull one of these checklists. If you see one that's really nice, you can find a freelancer on Fiverr and just tell them to mirror one of these checklists, and then just add your own flavor to it, remix it a little bit, put your logo on there. That's just another way you can do it. Okay, but all in all, that is an easy way to create a checklist. Every company needs a checklist, okay? Every company needs a checklist. If you don't have a checklist for your cleaners, you are headed for destruction, okay? So if you don't have one, start working on that today. Create your very own checklist for your cleaning company, okay? I'm Mrs. Johnson. This is Tenacity Academy, and that is my jewels for today. I'm out of here.